Welcome back. These are the latest Tomica 4D series that comes with real engine sound. I pick up the Nissan GTR as well as the Toyota Crown Police, and you can see the packaging is massive as compared with the regular boxes. The casting comes with two LR44 button type batteries that can last up to 45 minutes of playtime. The diagram shows with a simple push on the casting, it will set the engine to idle. The casting will vibrate as well, and the sound when you are about to roll the casting, and another sound effect when the GTR is traveling. I pick up the Toyota Crown Police because not just engine sound, it comes with siren and public announcement when played. Alright, let's now unbox the GTR out of the package. Wow, I'm happy it does come with a regular Tomica box, and that's great. It also comes with a simple instruction sheet. Now I shall remove the regular box and discard away the bulky outer box. It's interesting to note the Tomica 4D outer box is slightly taller in height than other regular boxes. Thankfully, it can still fit inside the regular clear sleeve for protection. Although the pair of GTR looks very similar, there's a huge difference. The headlight is printed for the 4D, while the mainline is not. As both casting come in 1/6/2, their dimension is totally the same. But unlike the mainline, the 4D does not have any interior, which is understood. The base holds the battery's compartment, and now I shall pull the tab to activate the sound. You just need a simple push. The GTR is the very first Tomica 4D series. Although no interior, the Tomica 4D engine sound impressed me. Just try not to let your child play straight up to 45 minutes to spare your eardrum. Next is the Toyota Crown petrol car. Although I can't find the mainline, but I believe they look exactly the same, including the positioning of the police marking. Although I like the siren and the announcement, but please don't play up to 45 minutes in one shot. I'll go crazy. So which casting do you prefer? The GTR, the cop car, or none? Please leave your comment below. Thanks everyone. Bye.